Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today this video is going to be very interesting and I have a little bit of flu, so my voice is not so clear as it used to be. Apologies for that anyway. Let's imagine your friend is telling you, hey, I need to get some fake data. And data should contain first name, last name, and that should also include gender, meaning that men and women. Data should also include, let's say, location, phone number, let's say the address, right? So how could you actually do this? There are bunches of ways you could do it if you are using some programming languages, right? There are lots of libraries out there. So how are you gonna do it if someone gives you just the terminal? Like if you're on Mac, on Linux, how could you actually do this? So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you could generate easily fake data on your terminal. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and let's get started. The command line utility tool that we are going to work with today is called rig, and I have already installed on my computer. As you can see, I do not need to reinstall. If you're on Red Hat based or Debian based Linux, you could actually directly use the package manager. So you could use yum or apt or dnf or whatnot, right? I'm on Mac, as you can see. I'm going to walk you through pretty much everything with examples. So bear with me, please. So if I do rig, you can see I get the fake identity right here. It gives me the address, it gives me the phone number here, right? The fake phone number and the name, right? So what happens if I want to generate a female name? So you need to pass -f. F means female, and if you need to generate the data for man, you can just say M. So what happens if I want to generate 10 person's fake identity and they should be male? I just need to say C, means number of people that you want to populate data for. So right here I have got 10 person and they should be men, right? So here if you read the data, you can see the information actually populated here is based on the gender, men, right? Cool. The next step that I wanted to show you is basically this. So when you go to the help page, you can see right here, this is the location where the data directory is. So if I go here, I can see there are some female names, there are some last names, there are some man names. Here is the location data, and here is the street data. So let me show you something. So if I want to read the content, right, about street, you can see the street information is right here. Let's see a bit more here. So you can see the information about the females, the males, street. So there are this many records right here. So this means that there are 1000 last names, right? So this is where the data is located, and this is where when you invoke read command, it actually populates data based on the information provided here. You see how easy this information to produce? So if you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.